I get so many ideas from my clients as far as the little things that they've done. I have a textile manufacturing company, and they first of all put together an employee experience team. And they chose from different people throughout the organization. They put together a task force. And guess what? These people actually asked the employees what they wanted. Imagine that. Because managers always want to throw money. Let's just give them money. Let's just give them money. Or they'll say, Lisa, we can't afford to do that. We don't have any money. Well, when they asked the employees what they wanted, one of the things that they wanted to do was listen to music. Well, when you have 200 employees working for a plant, you can't necessarily have 200 radio stations going on at the same time. So what they did is they allowed their employees to wear one earbud. It had to be the wire, if it was wired, to go through their shirt for safety reasons. When somebody else came to talk to them, they had to take that earbud out of respect. But that made a huge difference. More than 50% of the people in the plant got to listen to the music that they liked every day. It motivated them, and it cost the company nothing. Another free tool, or nearly free tool, is something like SurveyMonkey, of finding out what's your favorite candy bar, what's your favorite $10 gift card, and being very specific. I had another one of my clients that it was coming up, it was Engineers Week. And she said, Lisa, what's the one thing that I can put together for all the engineers for Engineers Week and make them happy? There's not one thing. But if you sent out some kind of survey, what's your favorite pastime? You found a golfer, and who liked going to a particular coffee house, and they liked going to the movies, and you put together a grab bag for them with some golf balls and with their favorite coffee shop and with some movie passes. You've connected with that person. Their favorite candy bar, put that in there. They may not remember ever filling out the survey, but there's something that's going to be that wow factor, that wow, she was paying attention to me. She knows she knows what I like, and that's what makes the difference. So we look at employees as individuals and just the little fun things that make you smile. A well-placed Post-it note, a smiley face on a Post-it note at the right time, that can make somebody's day. Because when you tell somebody you appreciate them, you create this beautiful memory. But when you write it down, you create a treasure. So we just look for little ways, non-monetary ways, low monetary ways that can bring a smile to somebody's face, and we start to see that connection happening.